Maintenance. The biggest maintenance requirement is keeping the water tray full of water. Because of evaporation, your water feature will put moisture into the air. The amount of use and the climate will determine how often you need to fill it. Be sure the water level stays at least above the top of the pump and no more than 1.5 inches from the top of the tray. Filling the water tray any more than 1.5 inches from the top can result in water going over the top of the plastic liner and leaking onto the floor. We also recommend filling the water tray when the water feature is turned off. To avoid almost all cleaning and to prolong the life of your water feature, we strongly suggest using distilled water. This will not leave hard water buildup on the stone or metal. When it is time to clean the metal portion of the water feature, we recommend using a non-abrasive cleaner with ammonia in it. Most window or glass cleaner works well. Over time, if your stone color dulls or you begin to accumulate hard water buildup, turn off the pump and scrub the stone vigorously with a firm bristled acrylic brush. This should remove most of the buildup. If it does not, the stone may require a more aggressive cleaning with Lime-A-Way or CLR. If your water feature is in direct sunlight or near a window or door that is often open, the stone may begin to grow algae. This manifests itself as a slight slime on the stone or a foul water smell. The best way to combat this is with a few drops of bleach once or twice a month. We cannot emphasize enough the importance of using only 2 or 3 drops at a time and never more than once a week. Too much bleach will bleach the stone and create an uncomfortable chlorine smell. The use of too much bleach will void all warranties. We recommend doing a full fountain cleaning once or twice per year. This will involve removing all the water from the water tray and cleaning it out, scrubbing down the stone with an acrylic brush, and taking apart the water distribution unit and cleaning it. Thank you again for your interest in our products. We are here to help in any way we can. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to call our customer service representatives.